Hi, I'm Andrew, and today we're exploring the use of background images in emails. What exactly are background images? Well, they're visuals set behind your email content, enriching the design and engaging your audience. They differ from foreground images as they're not the central focus but rather a creative enhancement. However, there's a caveat. Not all email clients support background images. To ensure compatibility, it's generally wise to avoid using them if possible. Our tool, Campaign Cleaner, can spot background images in your design. In the image summary of our campaign analysis, these images are flagged under unsupported images, right alongside other less common formats like .avic and .hike. Let's walk through a demonstration. I'll use a black background image with white text in a sample email. I'll send a preview to my Windows Mail client using the Send Preview feature. Here's the email. The email appears all white, as Windows Mail doesn't support background images, rendering the text invisible. In summary, Campaign Cleaner helps you identify background images that could compromise the visibility of your email content across different clients. To maintain broad compatibility and ensure your message is seen by all, it's best to avoid using them.